Hello! In this video, we'll learn how to do linear regressions on the TI Nspire CX family. Let's start by choosing number 1, New Document. Let's choose number 4, Add List and Spreadsheet. For our example, we'll look at math teachers from JFK High School. We'll compare the ages of the teachers and the year's experience in the classroom. Here's our data, which we will use for this example. Now let's enter in our information. Up arrow twice and call the first column age. Down arrow and enter in 44. Enter. 29. Enter. 52. 40. 32, 25, 48, 36, 31, 39. Arrow to the top of the second column and all the way up to where you can name it, and let's call this one years. Down arrow twice. You should be in cell B1 across from 44 and enter in the following information. 22, enter. 7, enter. 29, 17, 10, 2, 16, 12, 9, 18. Be sure to press enter to finish up the last cell. Make sure also that you have the same number of entries for both columns. Now we'll want to add a data and statistics page. Press Control Dock to add page. Choose number 5, Add Data and Statistics. The points are randomly located on the screen. At the very bottom, it says click to add variable. Age, in this example, will be our independent variable. We'll then go over to the y-axis, which will be our dependent variable, click to add variable, and we'll select years. There looks to be a strong linear regression forming here. Press Menu. Scroll down to number 4, Analyze. Select number 6, Regression. And the first option on this menu, Show Linear MX plus B. When we select that, we will see our linear regression. We can grab and move using Control-click on our touchpad. Y equals 0.846382x plus negative 17.624. To do a deeper dive and see the correlation coefficient, I strongly advise pressing Control Dock to add a page. Select number 1, Add Calculator. Go to Menu. We're working with statistics, so that would be the logical choice. Choose number 1, Stat Calculations, and choose number 3, Linear Regression MX plus B. The wizard pops up. You can press the right arrow, select Age for your X list, Tab, select Years for your Y list, Tab. We can save the regression equation into F1, tab on down until OK is selected, and press Enter. We now see a deeper dive into our linear regression. Here's a little bonus for those with TI Nspire technology. Let's add a graphs page. Control, Doc, choose number 2, add graphs. Notice it defaults to F2 of X, meaning something is in F1. Press the up arrow, and there is our regression equation. Press Enter to see it graphed. Because of our data, you won't see the graph initially. I like to scroll up to the Y maximum and double-click on that value. Now this is the year's experience in the classroom. Let's make this 40. But don't hit Enter. Hit Tab. The X maximum is the age. None of the teachers are 10 years old. Let's make this 65. Tab. Now we're starting to see the graph. We can press Enter and we will have the graph at our disposal. Press Menu, choose number 8, Geometry, and then choose number 1, Points and Lines. Select Point On, number 2. Point at some point along the graph of F1 and click. Press Enter again to drop that point. Press Escape to turn off your Point On tool. Now you have the ability of double-clicking either the X or Y value and answering the following question. If a teacher were 50 years old, how many years experience would they have? With our model, they should have about 24.7 or 25 years experience. Double-click the Y value, which is the year's experience. If the teacher had 10 years experience, we would expect them to be 32.6 or 33 years old.